Hey guys, today I have a haul today to show you guys, and this is from a store in my town. It's called Pop Shelf, and they have these really cute paper bags with the handles. They have the small and then a large size, and this is like a sister company to the Dollar Generals, and there are only 2 of these stores in America. So the one store is here in Tennessee, and it's literally like 2 minutes down the road from me, so I love it. And this is my second time Move Cats. So anyways, it's a sister company to Dollar General, and they have prices from $1 to about $5 to $10. So it's a really cool store. But anyways, let me show you what goodies I got. And so let me show you the Eastery stuff. That's the cutest. Alright, so they have these Easter signs, and it says Easter wishes and bunny kisses. Look how freaking adorable. And this one just has the little beautiful pastel flowers. There's that, and this sign was $1. And then the second sign, I love this one that says Happy Easter, and it's like the cardboard. And look at this beautiful bunny and the flowers, and there's some eggs. Look how adorable. So these were each $1, and then they had $3 signs, but I had tried not to get carried away. I only got a few Eastery stuff. Then I got this is a chalkboard. It's like a chalkboard bunny. And they had several different colors to choose from, and it's on a little stand. So you could just plop it up like this. And then the middle is chalkboard, and this was $1. And it's got the cute glitter, so I got the pink. And then they also had these chalk markers for $1. And these are chalk markers. Oops. And I dropped it. So here's this. They had white, gold, and silver. I haven't tried it out. So here is what those look like. Ooh, that writes really smooth. So I cannot wait to put a little saying. So anyways, they had several to choose from, but I didn't let myself get carried away. So I got that, and that was in a plastic package. I already took it out. Then they have lots of these really fancy paper mate pens. And I got one of these the last time I went. And last time I got a pink one. This time I got the purple. And look how cute. It's got these little heart blingy details. I love these pens. These are $2. But I absolutely love how they write. They just write fantastic. I love them. So I like to pick pens up. All right, so the Eastery stuff, I got these. They're plastic. And they had 4 colors to choose from. They have this pastel pink and blue. So I got 2 things of cups. I got the pink and blue, one of each. And I didn't realize that I got 2 different size cups. And each of these little sets come with 2 in a pack for $1. And I didn't realize short and large, but oh well. Because I was in a hurry when I went. So I picked up the pink and blue. At the pink and blue, and these are good size bowls. And all these were $1 for the 2. And I love these, and they're nice cereal bowls. They're pretty deep. They really are. And then they also had these bigger bowls. And of course, I got the blue and the pink. And I'll show you the difference. So here's the smaller, and here's the bigger bowls. So these are like big soup or salad bowls. They're really nice. So I got a set in each of those. Then they had these nice big plates. So I picked up a pink and blue, and all these were $1. I absolutely love these. So that pink, the blue, they had like a light gray and I want to say like a navy blue, I think. But I thought these are the prettiest, and I absolutely love them. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Then I also picked up this little guy, and this was $3. Look how adorable, little plushie. Then, in this little cute bag, I picked up nothing too fun, but I'm going to use it for my nail stuff. I picked up these. These are from the brand Studio Selection, and it's their super jumbo cotton balls. It comes with 90. These were $1. I also picked up these. I'm super excited to try these out. These are from the same brand, and they're called Cotton Ovals, and it's soft and gentle, and it's an 80 count. So I've not tried these little cotton pads, to take off polish. And I don't think they're lint-free, but hell for $1. They're great to use. And I needed me some cotton swabs, so I picked up, these are Go Green, eco-friendly bamboo stick swabs. And it comes with 300. So I picked me up these. Then I picked up these. They're Minions. And they are called Saline Nasal Wipes. And comes with 25, and these were also $1. They're little saline, little pack of wipes you can throw in your purse or bag or whatnot. And so me and my middle daughter have colds, and so I figured they'd be nice to wipe her nose with. My nose has been running for 2 days, so that is pretty much on the fun stuff. Then they also have lots of cleaning supplies, and I picked up this brand Lysol, which these are usually $3 or $4 elsewhere, and it's their all-purpose cleaner, and it is in the scent Cherry Blossom Pomegranate. And I've never used this, but for $2 for Lysol, it kills 99% bacteria and all that shit. And it has a really cool nozzle, so I'm excited to try that. I love finding nice cleaning, smelly stuff. And last time I went to Pop Shelf, they have all these cool, unique snacks and stuff. So, and I picked these up last time. It's called Sweet Chaos or something, and it's handmade kettle corn. And it is from the brand Cold Stone Creamery, and it's their cake batter. And I absolutely love this. I picked up 2 bags this time. Absolutely amazing, the cake batter. Y'all should try this. This was $3. So I picked up 2 of those. I also picked up, they have these cool little chocolates and candies. And I love chocolate, but I picked up these milk chocolate coffee beans. So it is 8-ounce bag of coffee beans, and these are $3. And my favorite, and I love chocolate flavored coffee beans, but my favorite is more dark chocolate. So I found 2 bags of dark chocolate. This is a dark chocolate bridge mix, and it has dark chocolate covered almonds, raisins, peanuts, and malt balls. So this is a mix for $3, and I've tried all these when I got home earlier. And then I found a dark chocolate espresso mix. So this has the dark chocolate almonds, dark chocolate covered coffee beans, dark chocolate chips, and hazelnuts and pecans. So all these are really good. These were each $3 for 8-ounce bags of chocolates. I also picked up these Soft and Strong pack of paper towels. These were $1. And these are on the thinner side. I won't lie. These aren't the best paper towels for $1, but they are nice, and I needed some. But this is awesome toilet paper. This is True Living Premium Bath Tissue. And so there's 4 huge ass rolls equals 16 regular rolls. And I picked this up last time, And I really love this toilet paper. And this was $3. And it's big and thick. I would compare it to Charmin. So that's a good off-brand to Charmin thick toilet paper. And I really like it. And then I also picked up some laundry stuff. I picked up this, which the Dollar Tree sells this, but it's usually smaller. But this was $1. It's LA Totally Awesome. 32 loads, stain lifter laundry detergent, and it's clean, fresh scent. So I've tried this from Dollar Tree, but it's normally a smaller bottle. And this is 64 fluid ounce for $1. It smells nice. Now this I have not tried. I've got some dryer sheets. This is Sweet Pea Blossom dryer sheets. And it's 40, comes with 40. I haven't technically tried them, but they smell fantastic. Here's what they look like. They had 3 different scents. I also picked up this fabric softener. And it does 13 loads, long-lasting fragrance, violet. And it's 22 fluid ounce. This is the brand. It's in a different language. This smells great, and I have not tried this, so I don't know how well it works. But usually I buy dollar shit laundry stuff from the Dollar Tree normally, and it always smells great to me. And then I got some scent boosters. This is from the brand Powerhouse. In-wash scent booster laundry fragrance, lavender burst. And all these were $1. And smells really nice. And it's a really good size bottle. You get 12 fluid ounce of scent boosters. So I'm excited to try my fabric softener, laundry booster, and then Sweet Pea Blossom dryer sheets. And, and I also got, I needed a new dustpan. And look, this is a really nice, deep one, really pretty green. And it's got the handle so you can stand up. You don't have to bend over to get to the dustpan. Super nice. I already tried it out as soon as I got home. And it picks up fantastic. This was $1, and it was the last one. So I'm glad to have a taller, whatever it's called. We also needed a nicer broom. This came in 2 separate pieces where you can just buy replacement brooms. But this part was $1, and then I got the stick for $1. So I paid $2 for this broom. Works fantastic for $2. So I got a new broom and dustpan for $3. Super excited. And the Lysol Cleanser that smells fantastic. I love buying new cleaning products and stuff because that helps me get motivated to clean. It makes me want to clean more. So yeah, I really love all my cute Eastery stuff. So if you have a pop shelf in your area, which there's only 2 in the United States, but I hear they're coming out with like 20-something more this year, from what I've heard, go check it out. And I think the other one's in North Carolina, I think. So yeah, I absolutely love Pop Shelf. They have beauty, cleaning supplies, lots of animal supplies, organizing, snacks, art, seasonal stuff. They also had lots of outdoor stuff to decorate, I noticed, and it went up to like $10 for like all these cool cushions and shit for outdoors. They had lights. Really, they have a little bit of this and that, and cool ass snacks and all cool stuff. So if you have one, go check it out and let me know if you like it. So it's definitely reminds me of a Dollar Tree and the Dollar General. It's an awesome store and I love it. So thank you guys for watching my Pop Shelf haul. That is the store. And hopefully one will come near you this year. Oh, and I also picked up something earlier when I went to the tobacco store. I got this cool ass smiley face Zippo lighter. It is so freaking cool. This was $4. And it's refillable. And the Bic lighters are like $2, and this was only a few more dollars for a cool ass lighter. I love lighters. And so yeah, that is what I picked up today, and I also went grocery shopping. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye guys.